To begin, gather all the components you need: your print on canvas, GOframe 1500 Pro bars in the correct lengths for your finished frame, a set of GOframe Pro bar corners, some corner pins and tensioning inserts, as well as a cutting tool. Start by removing the adhesive liner from the wide piece of tape on the front of the bar. Insert each bar into the GOframe 1500 Pro bar corners using the built-in notches and grooves to ensure each bar lays flat. To assist in aligning your canvas frame, we recommend marking each corner point. This can be done by holding your canvas print up to the light and placing a small pencil mark at each corner where the edge effect on your print meets the original image. These will be the corners of your finished canvas. Position your canvas frame face down on the back of your print and place the small holes in the GOframe 1500 Pro bar corners over the pencil marks. Ensure that you are happy with the position of your frame, then apply pressure to each bar to secure it to the back of your canvas. Use the GOframe 1500 Pro bar corners as a guide to cut a diagonal line across each corner of your frame. Then use the internal guide on the GOframe 1500 Pro bar corners to make a small cut into each corner of your canvas print. This will create the tabs needed for a clean corner finish on your stretched canvas. Remove the GOframe 1500 Pro bar corners and store them in a safe place for future use. Next, remove the release liner from the narrower piece of tape on the top of each bar. Lift each edge of the canvas to wrap the bar. Apply pressure to secure it in place. Trim off the excess canvas from the edge of your frame by gently folding the print back down onto the work surface. Use the edge of the wooden bar as a guide to ensure you make a straight cut. Fold up each of the corner tabs and apply pressure to secure them to the end of each bar. To create the edges of your finished canvas, lift the bars so that the corners meet. Insert a corner pin to hold the bars in place. Do this by using the ends of the pin to find the hole in the wooden bar and then apply pressure to pierce the canvas. Finish your frame by using the tensioning inserts. Simply align each insert with the grooves on the back of each bar, then apply pressure to secure in place.